Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by powering down and unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and preserves components. Once unplugged, ground yourself by touching the case or using a wrist strap so static won't damage the GPU. Remove the case side panel and place screws in a marked container so you don't lose them. Inspect the motherboard. Make sure the PCIe X16 slot is clear and that case airflow and power cables won't obstruct the GPU when installed. You'll now align the GPU with the PCIe X16 slot. Keep it level and avoid torquing the board. Press straight down with even pressure until the slot latch clicks. That confirms full electrical contact. Once seated, secure the GPU's rear bracket to the chassis with the retaining screws to prevent sag. Reattach any shrouds or case airflow adapters you removed earlier and make sure cables won't rub the fans. This stabilizes the card and maintains proper airflow for thermal performance. You'll finish by connecting the required PCIe power cables. Ensure 6-pin and 8-pin connectors seat fully and clip into place. Reinstall the side panel, plug the PSU back in, and power on. Enter BIOS or system info to confirm the GPU is detected. Once confirmed, boot the OS and install the latest vendor drivers. Run a brief stress or benchmark to validate stability and monitor temperatures. If you see black screen, no post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.